de la institución
divina del matrimonio.
divina de matrimonio.
Ahora sí le puedes poner. Very good. You can put the ring.
Oh! Necesitamos practicar esto.
Pues nomás los van a hacer una vez, so no más práctica.
Right, so everyone saw what a rough time I had doing my vows, putting on the ring, so I'm not going to try to say anything too complicated.
Okay, so
I don't think
it doesn't go. Oh, it goes on this one.
It goes in that one.
I don't have a fine tie like this, so I wouldn't know that. But
You do now?
I do now, right? Thanks to me. So,
I love you.
okay, just always remember that, you know, Jehovah comes first, and then there's Ruth. And always treat her like you know you should. You know what you need to do. I told you all the stuff that in theory, it's reality now, okay? And Jehovah and her parents are entrusting you with her. So take good care of Ruth, okay?
Ay, hermoso. No me hagas llorar porque así. Me hagas llorar, ya. Trey, my Coco, my unexpected surprise. I can't believe the day is here, the day that I will become your wife and you my husband. Can't believe a simple hello brought us here today. A hello I will never regret. You have been the best thing that has happened to me. You have become my best friend, and I can't wait to embark in this new journey with you. Never stop being you, only better. Better for each other.
Dear Ruth, I met my someone, my everyone. Glad I am to say that the search is now done. My hot tamale with all my heart I hold dear. My beautiful baby who when I imagine dressed in a long white dress, I shed a tear. You are so much more than I could have ever prayed. Your arrival on time for me, not delayed. The beginning of a life and the end of another. My wife, my best friend, my lover. On this day I find myself standing before my everything, my because. Those days when I felt forever alone and life had no traction. To stand before you, my wife, my reason for eternal joy and satisfaction.
Now, you can all get your cameras ready. Trey, it's time to shine. You may kiss your bride for the first time.
I wouldn't take it back. All those late nights, those early mornings, those beautiful trips to Salina. 6 hours later, it's a beautiful rain, wind, snow, hail, sleet, all of it. Ice. Nieve for you that don't speak English.
Ruthie, you've been the best sister to me, and I'm going to be really sad when you move. But I know you'll be in good hands with Trey, and I hope Alex and Jerry help with you.
After a lot of texting and phone conversations, the day had finally arrived. for them to meet in person. And then Trey called us. And when we heard his happy voice on the phone call, it was obvious that he felt a very special way about Ruth. But the time that I knew that she was the one, that she had won his heart, is when he said, and she made enchiladas. And I'm sorry, Mom, but they were way better than yours.
Quisiera decir muchas cosas, pero ahorita no se me alcanza nada. Como quiera, a todos también aquí presentes, gracias por acompañarnos. Y a los novios, que hoy empieza su camino, que sigan juntos para siempre, hasta que la muerte los separe.
I'm having the time of my life. Everything's going alright. Ooh, I just made them love twice. This is how it feels when you living that good life. I'm just living that good life. I'm just living that good.
We've had a lot of wonderful adventures together. Great memories that we'll cherish forever. You truly... No chille, Mike! You truly are like a sister to us. The night she told us she met a guy, we wondered, if Trey would be the right guy for Ruthie. And we always felt that no one would be good enough for Ruthie. Well, as it turns out, Trey's a perfect man for Ruthie. He's kind, loving, generous, and with his actions and by the way he speaks, we could tell that he truly loves Ruthie. And even though you've got a horrible golf swing, you have a wonderful personality. And with it, we know you're always going to be kind to our friend.
I'm having the time of my life. Everything is going alright.